up off the bed after getting my facial done, I felt like a little rip, like, do you know when the stitching goes in your trousers? But we ended up chatting about loads of products and just like other things, and I was booking in for my next facial, so I didn't actually have a chance to have it look. So I'm gonna have a look now. Oh no, I don't know, it felt like it was like an hours. No, I went for the whole shopping centre like this. I don't think you can see it that bad. Can you? Oh my god, I actually feel unwell.